and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why WordPress.org is a better website builder than other softwares like Weebly or Wix.com. So let's get started. The first thing to consider is that WordPress is an open source software, and that means that it is accessible by almost anyone and it is not owned by any organization or a company, and it is easy to download and access for almost everyone. The second thing is that it is extremely popular. As you can see, there are 35% of the web uses WordPress, and some of the most popular and reputable sites, Bloomberg, Rolling Stones, and BBC, etc., they're all created by using WordPress.org, and that is a very impressive fact. Now, another thing to consider about WordPress.org is that it has a great range of features and plugins available. There are more than 54,000 plugins available for you to use. And the themes that are mostly available on WordPress.org are free as well. So that means that it is affordable and it is extremely cost effective. And these were some of the basic features which make WordPress.org better than rest of the website builders.